First Truck Center Lloydminster mobile service is fully equipped to perform roadside assistance to the Lloydminster and area trucking industry. Staffed with a mechanic with over 20 years experience and having access to over $2 million in parts makes us the first choice in heavy truck mobile service. Our mobile service unit has full onboard diagnostic capabilities to enable our experienced technician to troubleshoot and repair in the shortest time possible. Our goal, to get you back up on the road in the fastest time possible. Our seasoned technician is certified on CAT, Cummins and Detroit Diesel engine platforms, as well as offering mobile warranty support for Western Star and Freightliner trucks. First Truck Center mobile service, reliable, fast, affordable. Don't tow, get service to go. First Truck Center Lloydminster. Mobile service you can count on.